Your energy can be distorted and work against you if your boundaries are not healthy and clear. Here are top 7 boundaries problems which cause the most issues. 1. You take responses of others personally. You don't respond to others correctly. You need to allow other people to have their experiences without trying to interfere, change, or influence. Plus, don't take on yourself responsibility of how people feel. It is not your responsibility to make others happy. They must learn to do it on their own. 2. You try to change what and who you can't. Wishing that things or people change won't take you anywhere. You are just wasting your energy. Learn to accept what you can't change, but put your energy into actions which can bring change. You don't listen to what your body and your heart tells you. How often do you override your gut instinct? How often did you put other people's feelings and emotions above your own? How often did you allow other people to tell you how you're supposed to feel or what you're supposed to do? Listen and honor your intuition and what your body tells you. Do not override for the sake of others. Do not give priority to the feelings of others. Act in accordance with your own authority. 3. You don't respect your own boundaries. The truth is that if you don't respect your own boundaries, no one will respect your boundaries because you attract what you reflect. 4. You compare yourself to others. Your mind and your body works in a unique to you way. You can admire other people but respect your body and how much rest and relaxation it needs. We are all built differently, and you need to learn to live in accordance with your unique flow. Dance to the beat of your own drum. Treat your body with awe and respect it deserves. 5. You assume people will read your mind and know what you want or need. You simply need to learn to ask for what you need and want. 6. You don't feel free to be you. You are trying to live to somebody's expectations. Learn to recognize what is you and what is not you. Don't compare yourself to others. Honor your own needs and limits. 7. You don't speak kindly and lovingly to yourself. How do you talk about yourself to others? People will treat you how you treat yourself. If you are kind, gentle, and kind to yourself, others will treat you lovingly, gently, and kindly. Thank you.